In this video, we'll teach you how to withdraw your money from Pocket Option to your Kraken account. First of all, you need to log into your Pocket Option, then you need to click Finance on the left menu and go to the withdrawal, or you can just click your profile icon in the top right and go to the withdrawal from here. So when you go to the withdrawal page, withdrawal process on Pocket Option becomes available after you deposited on your account. So if you have not deposited money yet, you can't withdraw money from Pocket Option. So first of all, make the deposit. But if you successfully deposited and now you have about $10 balance, you can withdraw from Pocket Option, and I will show you how to send it to your Kraken account. So when you click the withdrawal and go to this page, it will look like this. Here will be your balance. Here will be the minimum withdrawal amount, and right here you need to choose the payment method. So in this case, I will show you how to withdraw Bitcoin. You can also use other cryptocurrencies, but I think that Bitcoin is the most popular one, so I'll show you how to do it on Bitcoin. You need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address from Kraken. I will show you how to copy your Bitcoin address from Kraken. You need to open your Kraken account, then you need to click on transfer. Right here you need to select deposit, and you need to select Bitcoin. Then select Bitcoin network and click I understand. Right here you will see your Kraken Bitcoin wallet address. You need to copy this wallet address. And when you copy it, you need to paste it right here, then click the continue and finalize the transaction. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.